And this is how you catch a squirrel by Tony.
Fuck. That means he's gonna go this way now.
Don't worry, kids. It's all part of the show.
Oh.
Fuck.
Oh, there's maggots everywhere. You got it?
Yeah. Oh god, there's maggots everywhere. That's nice. Tanya, we miss you.
He didn't go in. He's on the floor. Should we leave him there? Look at the maggots.
Oh crap.
Oh my god.
Yeah, there's maggots everywhere. He is so fat. Oh my god. Well, that's pretty much the end.